I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and get into this one, but once again, RIP to the great Kobe Bryant. Purple and gold, baby. That leads us to this shoe. Right? Boom. Because you all know, Big Ralph, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright? My prediction right now, my Charlotte Hornets are out of playoff contention. They're rebuilding. I think they need to just go ahead and tank. They're going to stink it up, all right, for the rest of this season. All right? My Hornets are out of contention. All right? Quick basketball talk. All right? I feel like now, after the events of this past weekend, the Lakers are winning the championship for sure. Now, I already thought they were going to win it, but now I don't think anybody's stopping that team. There's a whole new motivation now. Lakers in foe. All right, let's go ahead and get into this shoe. These are the Lebron 17 colorway, green slate, black, size 14, of course. Oh, all right. Well, let's go ahead and get into these. Here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. All right. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are nasty. Left shoe first, baby. Woo! Let's get a little closer. Let's get a little closer so you can see the colors and the details on these. The LeBron James 17. LeBron James Foundation, the I Promise 17s, baby. Look at all the colors and the details on this shoe. Man, oh man, oh man. And we ain't even got to the top yet. Let me move the laces a little bit. Look at the crown. Look at the crown on the, oh, and you see all the messages on the laces. Some of them say, I promise I will work hard. I will never give up. I will do my best. I will dream big. I will stand tall. I will succeed. That's a lot of good messages in there. There's a lot of good message in there to uplift the children. To uplift the children, baby. And you got the LeBron James crown logo there. Very dope. Just look at the toe box, man. The toe box incorporates all the other shoes that you see going around the Knitposit. The Knitposit is what this material is and all this up here. But man, oh man, look at the details of this shoe. And we ain't even got to the bottom of them yet. Look at the bam. Look at the bottom. It's so many details, man. It's so many colors and things that just look beautiful on this shoe. You got your green Nike swoosh there. We got some black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You got some black and yellow speckles throughout that green. And then it says max volume air. This air unit here going around here. Very dope. You got your Nike logo on the front of the toe box area. Man, this joint right here, man. Knitposit logo here. Knitposit. And then you got foundation on the other side. The foundation is up here. Man, these are clean, man. Let me take that shoe tree out so we can take a look on the inside there. We are family on the insole. You probably won't be able to see that. I'm gonna try to do my best to show it to you. Man, let me try to open that up a little more. Yellow insole. It says we are family in there with another crown. Very dope. There's something on the back. The LeBron James Family Foundation. That's what the LJFF stands for. My mind's not really where it should be at the moment, man. But the LeBron James Family Foundation says on the back there. Very dope shoe, man. I saw these and I've been trying to be real selective to start the year off, man. I know that the LeBron 7 All-Stars are coming, and I'm gonna have to try to go for those. I have to. Like, I just have to. But also, I'm questioning. Do I want the Space Jam 2 LeBron 17s, the Monstars? I mean, they look kind of clean, but they almost look like a mixture of this shoe and that one, like as far as the bright colors and everything. And then you got the James Gang color of the 17s. I gotta be selective. I gotta be like, which ones do I want? Which ones can I hold off of? Because if you watch my previous video, you know that 2020 is all about the Bron Gang for me. I'm sticking away from a lot of the other shoes. Only Jordan that I plan to buy this year is the Flints if they release. So it's all about Bron Gang for me this year. I think I'm ready to make the complete conversion. Unless Jordan brand or Yeezy, which Yeezy has not been impressing me lately. The only shoes that I've looked at and I've said, man, I want those. I got to have them. Bron Gang all year. So that's not to say that Jordan brand won't smack me in the face later. Yeezy won't slap me in the face later and say, all right, I got to get those. But for right now, all that's impressing me is the Bron Gang. So let's go ahead and check out the right boy. Let's check out the right boy, see if there's any differences. Right shoe, second. And on the right one, I don't see very many differences. LeBron James Family Foundation, we are family. Everything is the same. Everything is the same. I didn't know if they did like a different crown or anything on the toe box, but everything is the same. Shoelaces are the same. Pretty much, let me grab the left one, the back again. Everything is pretty much the same here on these shoes. There's the bottom. I did not mention that there is the LeBron James signature there in the yellow underneath. Very dope, very dope. I will say that there is a difference here at the top. Some of those colors are different. You see that hint of that magenta here that's not there. You know what I mean? It's like a bigger splash of that magenta there that's not on that side of the toe box. So some of the color areas are a little bit different. Looks almost like it's more yellow over here than the magenta over there. But yes, sir. Very dope. Very dope, man. Yeah, it's definitely more of that pink, that more magenta over here, man. More on this side. Very dope shoe, man. Had to have these. But, you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so as I mentioned in the previous video, this is what I was wearing today. These Kobe 10s. Kobe 10s and that Heart Foundation. I know that's not what these are really called, but the Kobe 10s and that Brett the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval colorway. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Rest in peace to the great Kobe Bryant. Alright? Let's go ahead and throw on these bronze. Alright, so here we are on feet. Boom. Brown gang. Brown gang. Yes, sir. Size 14 in these boys right here. As you all know, I also have this model in a 13 and a half, which fits perfect. It fits perfect, but I will say that I do prefer the fit of the 14. For reference, I'm wiggling my big toe. Alright, this is my big toe right here. I have just this much room, but the width of the shoe feels better with that 14 for me. So I definitely don't think that I can go with a 13 in this shoe. Has to be 13 and a half to 14 only. That's all. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that coming at ya. Go slow on that coming at you so you can see the bottom. Oh man. Coming at ya. Get the bottoms, baby. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Definitely a dope shoe. Yes, I'm biased. Yes, Bron gang. Yes, LeBron line is my favorite line. I'm a little biased, okay? But I do think that this is one of the better colorways. This is definitely one of the better I have most of the colorways. Probably should take it easy. I should probably start taking it easy. I did wind up buying 3 pairs of shoes in January. I wasn't supposed to buy 3. I wasn't supposed to buy 3, but I bought 3. You've seen 2. One is on the way, probably next week. I sold shoes to get rid of some of these extra shoes, and then I bought shoes. Gotta sell some more shoes to offset the price. But anyway, definitely a dope one, man. I'm gonna try to take it easy after January. There are 2 that I see in February that I kind of got my eye on, but I feel like that 7 is gonna be hard. And if I miss it, I'm not going to StockX. I'm not going to GOAT. I'm not putting my information back in StockX ever again. Like, I'm just not going to do that. So hopefully I get lucky on sneakers or Nike.com and I'm able to get that LeBron 7. If not, then I'm just taking the L. But anyway, man, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.